automate your business operations. Let's start with the real heavy lifting, right? These first couple of tools are all about putting your business workflows on autopilot.
First on the list is Google Workspace Studio. Look, if you live and breathe inside the Google ecosystem, we're talking Gmail, Docs, Calendar, all of it, then this is an absolute must-have. Think of it like a personal assistant living inside your Google account.
And the best part? It's so simple. You don't have to know any code. You just describe what you want in plain English. Something like, hey, get me a daily summary of my unread emails. And boom, Gemini AI just builds that workflow for you. It's crazy powerful, and it's already built into your Workspace account for free.
So this really shows you the range of what's out there for free. On one hand, you've got Google Workspace Studio, which is just perfect for those everyday automations right inside the tools you already use. But if you need to level up and build some seriously complex stuff, you've got N8N. Now, its free community edition is a bit more technical, for sure, but trust me, it is one of the most powerful workflow builders you can get your hands on.
All right, part 2, supercharge your content creation. So if you're a writer, a marketer, or really anyone creating stuff online, listen up because these next few tools are for you. Okay, check this out. This is Pomeli. It's another awesome tool from Google Labs, and what it does is, well, it generates an entire social media campaign for you. And not just any campaign, one that's perfectly matched to your brand's unique style.
And look how ridiculously fast this is. All you do is give it your website's URL. That's it. The AI goes to work, analyzing your brand, your colors, your font, your whole vibe, and then, in about 90 seconds, it spits out a bunch of campaign ideas, all with images ready to go. It's just incredible. All right, next is Napkin AI. You know that problem where you've got a block of really dense text and you need to make it look, well, not boring, for a presentation or a social media post? That's what Napkin does. It instantly turns that wall of text into a clean, professional-looking graphic. Now, for anyone who writes headlines, so pretty much everyone creating content, this is your new secret weapon. It's called Headline Studio. And it's so much more than just a score. It actually breaks down why your headline is good or bad. It looks at the balance of emotional words and power words and gives you real, concrete suggestions to make your titles totally irresistible.
Okay, let's switch gears a bit. We've talked about creating, now let's talk about executing. Part 3 is all about mastering your daily productivity, getting more done and getting your time back.
If you ever have to do research for anything, you need to know about Notebook LM. Seriously. Imagine having one central place where you can just dump everything, all your articles, PDFs, Google Docs, and then have an AI sift through it all for you. It's basically your own personal research assistant. But here's where it gets really powerful. It doesn't just store your stuff, it actually understands it. It finds these hidden connections between different documents that you might have totally missed, and then it can instantly whip up summaries, mind maps, even a first draft of a slide deck based on all that research. It's like magic.
Okay, this next one is for anyone who likes to think out loud or dictate notes into their phone. This quote here is talking about a tool called WhisperFlow. It's a voice-to-text app, but its killer feature isn't just that it transcribes what you say. It's that it's smart enough to clean up your speech. It gets rid of the ums, the ahs, the mistakes, and just captures what you are actually trying to say. Are you so tired of taking notes in meetings? I think we all are. Well, meet Granola. This is the solution. It's basically an AI assistant that just joins your Zoom calls and takes care of all the note-taking for you. So yeah, it'll transcribe and summarize the whole conversation. But here's the coolest part. After the call, you can actually ask the transcript questions. You can literally just type, hey, what were the action items for Sarah? And it'll pull them right out for you. It hooks up with Notion and Slack with one click. Now, quick note, it is Mac only right now. But don't worry, Windows users, Fathom is a fantastic alternative that does pretty much the same thing.
I love this next one. It's so wonderfully unique. It's called Goblin Tools. You know that feeling when you have a task that just seems huge and overwhelming? Well, with this tool, you can type in something big like plan a new workshop, and it just breaks it all down into tiny, manageable steps. It's a really simple idea, but it's so helpful, especially if you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed. And it's fantastic for neurodivergent minds.
All right, we're on to our final section, part 4, expand your AI toolkit. This is going to be a quick, rapid-fire round to give you 2 more awesome tools to add to your free AI arsenal.
Okay, 2 for 1 here. On the left, we've got ChatHub. Ever wonder which AI gives the best answer? Well, with ChatHub, you type in your prompt once, and it shows you the responses from GPT, Claude, and Gemini, all side by side. It's fantastic for finding the very best answer. And on the right, there's Snipped. This is an AI-powered podcast app that summarizes episodes and pulls out the key quotes for you. Basically, it helps you learn more in way less time. So there you go. 12 powerful, fully functional AI tools that you can start using right now without spending a dime. When this kind of power is just freely available to everyone, it really makes you think. The only thing holding you back is your own imagination. So the real question is, what are you going to build?